Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my VoizHub AI video review. This has never been done before. Instantly save up to $6,625.86 yearly with this dashboard. Game Changer AI app lets you clone any celebrity voice you want legally and with full commercial rights. With one click you clone Cristiano Ronaldo, Morgan Freeman, Taylor Swift, Donald Trump, or anyone else's voice and use it to sell your product or service all from one dashboard without using 11 Lab, Google's WaveNet, Amazon's Poly, ChatGPT, Artlist, and more. Get lifetime access now and never pay monthly again. The only native voice synthetic AI app that doesn't rely on crappy APIs. Access the world's first native synthetic voice app that replaces dozens of voice apps with just one dashboard. Automatically dub, transcribe, or translate any video or audio with 99.99% accuracy. Legally clone any celebrity, athlete, or anyone's else voice with just one click. Save thousands of dollars in fees. And access the most robust voice manipulation app with a small one-time fee. Cancel your 11 Lab, Google's WaveNet, Amazon Poly, and Artlist subscription now. Turn any document, PDF, article, or even URL into a speech in hundreds of voices and dozens of languages. Record voices on the fly with our AI recorder without installing or configuring anything. Instantly turn any book into an audiobook with a click of a button, and capitalize on $21 billion industry. AI-powered chatbot that will allow you to automate your entire work with VoizHub AI, and even write articles for VoizHub AI to narrate. VoizHub AI allows you to instantly be a sound engineer. And a highly paid one too. Replace over 16 different apps, services, and APIs with one robust dashboard. Generate studio-quality voices with a never-seen-before AI engine. Imagine using Donald Trump, Oprah, Cristiano Ronaldo, or anyone else's voice to sell your product. Sell your VoizHub AI creation inside our private marketplace with over 1.2 active buyers instantly. VoizHub AI comes with free commercial license that allows you to sell your creation and keep 100% of the profit. Never pay monthly for any subscription again. The only native app that doesn't rely on any third-party buggy APIs. Zero experience or skills needed to start enjoying VoizHub AI's benefits. 30 days ironclad money-back guarantee. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description.